Hi, Simon. Do you remember me? We met at the station. So I've come here because I need your help. Last time I told you I started the fashion brand called One and Co. I would love to get funding to open up a pop-up shop so that my customers can come and see my products, and also I would get a chance to meet them as well. Since we last met, I've also started another business, Jamila Art, and basically I'm using AI to create fashion illustrations to empower young people of color. But yeah, so I would love to work with you again